Hi guys, welcome to my newest video. Today we're gonna make a new healthy cake recipe. I'm super excited. I didn't try it yet, so I've got my fingers crossed again that it's gonna be a good one, but I think so. So I already heat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. That's the first step. I'm gonna show you the ingredients. So I just love to put them already in the bowls. You need 3 eggs, a little bit of syrup, cinnamon, baking powder, raisins, almond flour, oats, apples, Greek yogurt, and a baking mold. Okay, so let's get started. We need a big bowl, but I don't have a big bowl anymore. It's broken, so I'm gonna use a big pan to put all the ingredients in. So the first step is...
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Say hi!
Hi guys!
Come.
Ja, maar ik kom echt niet in.
No. Okay.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! So the first step is I'm gonna put the oats, almond flour, the baking powder, and the cinnamon in there, quite a lot, and then I'm gonna stir it. Now I'm gonna add the yogurt and around 3 spoons of syrup and 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna add the apples and some raisins, like a handful. So I guess that was it already. I just love to put the wooden sticks over there. And now I'm gonna add the cake. It's quite thick, so I hope it's okay like this. But let's see. I'm gonna add it in there. Wait, let me just add 1 tiny bit of salt. I'm so excited for this cake. I'm gonna go tomorrow to my friend in Amsterdam, and I just really wanted to bring her some healthy cake, so I hope it's gonna be a winner. I hope she's gonna like it. Oh my god, I need to clean the kitchen so bad. Let me show you how it looks like. I mean, how easy is this? I really hope it's gonna be a winner. I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. And let's see. I've got my fingers crossed. See you in a bit. Oh my god, it smells so good in here. It is in the oven for 30 minutes right now. Let me just check if it's already good. Oh my god, it smells so good and it looks so delicious. I think we might wait for another few minutes. I think this is gonna be a super short video because I feel like that's what you need and you can actually cook it with me. Okay, I think it's time. It looks so good. I want to show you guys. What? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay, well, look at that. I burned my fingers. It smells really, really good. I just really hope that it is as delicious as it looks and smells. Let me show you. watching. I really hope you guys liked it. I love it. If I post this video, it's gonna be winner, so try it out. And yeah, I just want to say, don't forget to subscribe. Try out my other recipes. I made like a brownie. Try my breakfast recipes. Don't forget to check out my workout videos. And yeah, I just hope to see you in my new video on Instagram, YouTube, in the comments, anywhere. I just want to say thank you guys so much. I love you and see you soon. Oh my god, by the way, I tried a piece and it's so good.